Hey guys, my name's David Mata. I'm a 2020 CCRI grad.
Hey everyone, my name's Christina LaPaglia. I graduated from CCRI in 2019 with environmental management.
My name's Nathan Fuller. I graduated CCRI in 2020 with a focus on history. I was doing my gen eds.
My name's Kelsey King. I am a CCRI graduate. I graduated in December 2019.
And I transferred to Rick this fall to get my bachelor's in medical imaging management.
I then transferred over to URI and I'm now studying biology and ornamental horticulture plant sciences.
And now I'm at URI doing a major in history.
And I'm currently a junior at the University of Rhode Island, majoring in political science and minoring in journalism.
What I liked most about CCRI, I thought it was a fresh start for me. My first semester there, it was more about this is going to set me up more in the future more than, all right, this is what I'm going to do now. It was more thinking for the future.
I was going in with the thought of it's just a community college and I was just going to go through the community college and that would be it. I got involved in different ways and I learned a lot more than I thought I would.
Now, CCRI has definitely helped me to take my studies at URI more seriously.
And it was also super local, so I was able to live off campus and go to school and get my associate's degree because I wasn't ready to live on campus at a college somewhere, graduating high school.
I definitely grew a lot in my 2 years as a student and even as a young adult.
By the nature of the age that I'm at, you grow a lot between 18 and 25 as a person. But I would say the way CCRI impacted that growth was impactful. You make a lot of decisions at this age, and if you make the wrong decision, unfortunately it could set you up in a negative way, or you make the right decision and it sets you up in a positive way, and your life just balloons from there. And I would say that decision for me was going to college and actually having the opportunity to advance.
So a lot of those professors, they wanted you to learn, they wanted you to understand the concepts and not just get through the classes.
The professors, they were willing to help whenever I needed it. They were always there for you. You could email them whenever you needed them.
Honestly, I love my professors, especially in the program. All the professors there, they really wanted the students to be successful. Even one of my professors actually hooked me up with the job that I have now.
The advising was super helpful. I could just drop in and they were there when I needed it. And it was super quick, super easy, made things a lot less stressful for me.
Just going down into the offices, into the guidance counselors, and just you could pop in. You didn't always have to make an appointment, or you didn't always have to wait for your specific advisor. You could just go and walk in and get help.
But not only be like, oh, you should take this, but okay, you should take this. Here's why you're taking it. Here's where it can help you in the future.
And also the students were super nice and super chill. It was you could be friends with everyone from different backgrounds, from different clubs, whatnot. I just felt a really good sense of community, in my classes with my professors and through student life as well.
In between classes, there's that main area. It's open. You always see somebody There's so many people there.
I remember telling my parents, I said, I want to go to URI. I'm going to go to CC first. I don't think I would have been as able going straight to URI.
CCRI is, like climbing stairs. You don't just jump to the top stair from the bottom, I think that it definitely prepared me and helped me master this kind of idea that I can do whatever I try to do.
I would say that CCRI is definitely the way to go.
Especially if you're not in a very wealthy family, it's a no-brainer. But I definitely think CCRI is not just an option. I think it's a compelling choice.
I would say I'm very thankful for my time at CCRI. I grew a lot as a person. Now I'm here 3 years later. I have a career that I could fall back on, but I'm still continuing my education because I enjoyed it enough that I want to go somewhere else and learn from them too, and just continue my education.
I think it was not only extremely helpful financially and helpful for me as a student to progress as a student, but it was also enjoyable.
Affordable, friendly, just basically amazing. That's what I would say.
I think CCRI is that stepping stone that people don't think that they need, but after they have that help, they realize, wow, that was exactly what I needed. It's not just a community college when you're there. It's so much more.